It is day 21 of Preptober, where we are plotting a book in 31 days, and today's assignment is to breathe. Yes, that's right. I am not actually giving you a new assignment today because the last few things that you've been doing have been pretty heavy and you might not feel entirely done with all of them. So if you have some outlining, if you have some character questions you need to answer, if you have some research or world building that you feel like you need to get done, take today to get that done. And if you do feel like you are actually entirely on track and there is nothing you need to do more, either take a rest day or go back to something that you thought was like extra interesting and put a little bit more work into that. But don't do anything new. Take it easy. You still have a number of days left, and today you just need to breathe and remember to take care of yourself.